One of the simplest ways to get familiar with Leonardo AI interface is to go ahead and create our first prompt. And to do this, I'm going to explore with you the Featured Models section. Now, let's not get too caught up on the idea of models. You can see at the top of our interface we have Featured Models. And if I go ahead and towards the right-hand side of the screen, I have a left and right toggle, which I can use to explore various models. So, using one of these models, I want to generate a prompt. We also have the recent creations of other people. If I hover over the images, you can see the prompt used to generate the image. You can filter the images by clicking on New or the latest ones, and feel free to use those images for your needs. Let's go ahead and use Leonardo Diffusion. If we click on this model with this mode, you'll be greeted by another user interface. Now what you'll have here is the AI generation tool where you can type a prompt. I already did some examples to see the differences. So I'm going to go ahead and type in a very basic prompt, which is going to be realistic volcano. Then I'll click on Generate. And there we have it. 2 images based on our prompt along with the model that we picked. If I hover over any of these images, there are a bunch of tools that I can use. So we've created our first prompt. And if you look very closely underneath the Generate button, we can see that this prompt has actually cost us 7 tokens, meaning I have 122 remaining because I generated 3 times. You will have 150 tokens that reload every 24 hours. Go ahead and click on the image, hit the download button, and there you go, your first image. Open LeiaPix Converter, upload the image, wait a few seconds. On the right sidebar, you have animation style you can choose from, animation length, the speed of the animation, and the amount of motion. There are many other cool stuff. Feel free to explore them. You can hit the reset button to load the default values. On the top right, click on Export to save the file as an MP4 type. And there you have it, from text to motion.